define matter. What is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and having mass is called matter. Matter have three types: gaseous state, solid state, and the liquid state. I will define gaseous state. What is gaseous state? It is the state of matter in which molecules are far away from each other and molecule force of attraction is very weak. So here are 2 points in gaseous state. Number one, molecules are far away from each other, and number second is molecular force is very weak. Some typical properties of gases: indefinite shape and volume. Indefinite volume. It has no indefinite volume and occupy available space. And indefinite shape. It has no definite shape and take the shape of container which it is encased. Number second, diffusion. The movement of molecules from higher concentration toward lower concentration. For example, I have perfume. When a gas having characteristic of ether, for example, perfume. When I release the perfume, at one corner of the room, it will spread in the whole room. It is due to diffusion. As diagram, here are some molecules. The yellow one are molecules from perfume, and the light red are nitrogen molecule in the air. And here the dark red are oxygen molecule in the air. So it is diffusion. Number third, effusion. The escape of molecule in the gaseous state one by one without collision to a whole is called effusion. Is onion. When we put onion in a plastic bag, the smell comes from it because we tie it very tightly, but the smell comes out because of effusion. It is the molecules of onion. It is coming out from the hole, and these are the molecule in the air, oxygen molecule and nitrogen molecule. Thank you. I am going to ask some question. What is diffusion? Amna, can you explain it?
Yes. The movement of molecule from high concentration to low concentration is called diffusion.
Well, I hope you will understand my lecture. Thank you.